Alright guys, so in this particular video tutorial I want to share with you how you could get cheap data. I mean, you could get 1 gig of data for less than 150 naira. That's you'll be getting it for currently about 135 naira or lesser, and with 400 naira, just 400 naira, you could get 3 gig of data. I don't know if you have this kind of offer before, or you have something that is better than this. Let me know in the comment section, because this is like a steal price, seriously, and it is legit. It is working fine, and it could browse everything that you need to do. It's just like our normal data. And only a few people know about this, and like I said earlier, if you have a better offer than this, let me know in the comment section. I need to know. 400 naira for 3 gig, isn't that interesting? But there is a condition to it, guys. So, and right there in this particular video, I'll be sharing it with you step by step how you could get this data, and that means with 6,000 naira you could get 45 gig of data. That's very interesting, and for someone like me who spend a lot of money, or let's say who spend a lot of data online, because we basically work online, of course, you know, this is something that has been able to help me save some money with data. Yeah, and guess what, it works for both MTN and Airtel. Say yes, but I'm not sure about other network. You can test that out, but it works for MTN and Airtel, and I'll show you the two right here in this particular video. So let's just get straight to it. Let me show you from my screen right now. Alright guys, so here is it. I'm right here. So I actually have my Airtel SIM on this device. So I'll just go ahead. You know, normally to subscribe to buy data connection on Airtel and MTN, it's *312#. Up I'm right. Yeah, so let's allow that to load, and I want to show something. All you need to do is go to your data plans, and click on, let me reply to and next, and then you need to click on this star. That is, I want to go for the next option. I want to see next available option, so I'll reply with star. Alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sadiq Ibrahim. If you're a returning subscriber, it's good to have you back here. Welcome, you are the real MVP. If you are coming across my face for the first time, you are welcome as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. And right here on this channel, all I do is simple. I spend a lot of time researching on opportunities that could make you money online, that could ease your life, and when I find those ones that work, I come right here on my YouTube channel to share it with you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much about this channel. If that sounds like something interesting to you, of course, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, so that you'll be among the first set of people that will get notified whenever I upload another exciting video like this. And let's see, so this plan I'm actually talking about is the everyday on plan. Let me explain what it means. It means that every day on, that, you know, there are some plans on whereby it is maybe only nights. There are some plans whereby they will give you some data for day, they will give you another data for night, but this one is every day on. That is, you can use it every time. But the thing is that it is not okay, let me just reply with someone and show you something. So at the moment we have 3,000 naira for 15 gig, and it will last for 30 days, and 6,000 naira for 45 gig, and it will last for 30 days. The one I'm talking in particular about is this 6,000 naira for 45 gig, and which will last for 30 days. Let's do a little calculation. So 6,000 naira for 45 gig, 6,000 naira divided by 45, you know, that's 133 naira. That means you are getting a gig for 133 naira. That's less than 150 naira. Like, that's really insane. So that means times 3 gig is 400 naira, just like I stated. That means it's like you are getting 3 gig of data for 400 naira, and then 45 gig of data for just 6,000 naira. Yeah, like I stated in the beginning of this video, the condition to it is that you cannot get it 1 gig. You cannot just buy 1 gig. Let's say you want to buy just 3 gig with 400. No, you must get 6,000 naira, and you'll be able to get 45 gig. But if you do the calculation, it's like you are paying 133 naira for 1 gig. And so the downside right now is that for the everyday on plan, let me share this with you. So let me just go back to that 312. It's the same process for Airtel and MTN. This is I'm using Airtel at the moment, but it works for MTN as well, so I won't bother to go through that. So the downside is that for this 45 gig, you will not get everything at a time. Yes guys, you will not be able to get everything at a time. So this is how it works. For the 45 gig over a period of 30 days, that's, let me go back to that. Okay, so every day on, let me reply with one, and then next, hope I've not made a mistake here. I think I made a mistake. Let me go back to the main menu, and then I want to my data plans here from 3, and then next thing is star, and then everyday on plan 7. All right, as you can see, 6,000 naira for 45 gig. That's less than 135 naira per gig. So let me just click on that and show you something. So 6,000 naira 1.5 gig every day for 30 days. It means that you won't be getting your 45 gig as at a time. They'll be giving you 1.5 gig daily. So this is something you should understand before going for this plan. You won't get the 45 gig immediately, but you'll be getting 1.5 gig immediately every day. What I like about this is the fact that you can share this data, and it will always roll over to the next day. Let's say I activate the plan today and I get 1.5 gig. If I could not exhaust it today, and tomorrow let's say I only use 500 MB and I have 1 gig left, so tomorrow when they give me another 1.5 gig, it will add to my existing 1 gig, and that will be 2.5. So you could accumulate it, and it works like normal data plan. You could share it with your friend, transfer from your balance, and do all other stuff. Just that you'll be getting 1.5 gig every day. Every other thing is working fine. You can accumulate it. They will not pack it if they will not deduct it from your balance if it's not exhausted. So it will always roll over, and I hope that is interesting. That's something I have been using, and I decided to share it with you guys. So guys, that's basically everything. If you find this particular video helpful, let me know in the comment section. It will go a long way, guys. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. What I do on this channel is I spend a lot of time researching on opportunities, and when I find the one that works, I come right here on this channel to share it with you guys. I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this out, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers, guys.